We need more camera feedback. We're going to create a hotkey camera called SexyCam to do that. It is system number 10 chronologically. In dependency order, it is system 4. There's no constant data for SexyCam yet. This is the SexyCam struct. It has the button number that was pressed and the number of times that it was pressed. We're going to seal it to make sure we don't fuck up anything. A little footnote as to some problems I found in my code. We're referencing camera H here, but camera H has not been included yet. And so there's the wrong dependency ordering for this function now. It didn't always used to be that way because we wrote this function before we had camera H, but we got to fix that eventually. We'll do that sometime later. Here's where all the functions for SexyCam will go. Here's what we did previously, and some footnotes, and what we did in this video. So we just stubbed in the camera system, the SexyCam system, and it's just going to be a whole bunch of hotkeys that use the numpad to snap to different level packs. You've been on this video. This is video 125. Like and subscribe.